My name is Dongwei. I'm studying biotechnology in Professor Jens Kurreck group at Technical University of Berlin. In our group, we use 3D bioprinting technology to produce different kinds of organ models. And my topic is to use 3D bioprinting to produce different kinds of cancer models for different organs. And actually, we can use this kind of cancer models to test anti-cancer drugs, and they will tell us whether this drug is promising or they are just to kill all of the cells and has a lot of the side effects. The biggest challenge of my topic is how to develop the cancer models which should be functionalized, reliable, as well as economical. And another problem is how to produce these cancer models very efficiently, as well as to culture them for a longer time. And for this reason, we recently also incorporate the vascular system into our cancer models. As we know, the vascular system is very important for the human body, and therefore, for our cancer model, we also have this function, and we want them to mimic the real vessel blood in the body. And for this kind of cancer model, we can print them very small, much smaller than 1 euro cent. Actually, this is very important because we can directly print them into the 24-well plate.